So adults have needs, and so do kids. Kids often do not know how to express their needs, and it's important to teach them this understanding at a young age. Now, it could be as simple as a 3-year-old who's crying for food because they're hungry, but they don't realize it. Or maybe they don't know how to get the food. Or it could be a 1-year-old crying and they are hungry, but they don't even realize it. There's so many possible needs. You know, the need for sleep because you're exhausted, the need for comfort. All these needs exist for kids as well. And kids, they tend to be very poor at explaining their need. Now, I have seen for myself that you can teach kids needs, and when you do, it greatly improves the quality of their communication. I can share a story. I had a mother join our school with her 4-year-old, and she said her 4-year-old whines a lot. Now, I don't like the word whine because it actually doesn't do a good job of telling me much information, and kids aren't whining. They're just failing to express their needs. So when we taught the child to express their needs and express their feeling, everything changed. The mother came back to me and said, "Wow, my kids have improved so much. They don't whine anymore." And the reason for that wasn't necessarily that anything was different. It's just that now the kid can communicate their need. They said, "Mom, I'm hungry. I would like some bread." Or, "Mom, I'm sleepy. I would like to go to home and sleep." And by expressing these needs very clearly, the mother was able to meet them and her life quality improved. So when it comes to, teaching kids about their needs, there's a lot of games and a lot of activities that we can do, and I'm going to show you, and it's a lot of fun. So come on with me.